Hey guys, welcome back. This is another episode of Life with Spike. I got a little gift or a package because the old one has a big hole in it, and here I'll show you a little clip here. It's kind of just destroyed the entire neck, and it's been like that for like probably a couple years, and I didn't even notice. So we decided time to retire that trailer. So now that we got it here, I took the top off. It was really heavy. This is a 5/8 2 plywood sheets put together on a 2x4 frame. So I decided to, get that removed, and then we'll build out a frame on that thing. There's just no way I'm gonna record this entire video with no vehicles passing through it. There's just not a chance in heck there's ever gonna happen, because every 10 seconds another vehicle passes by. Anyways. We're gonna pop out that bottom piece of plywood out of the bottom there. We're gonna paint the bottom side. We're gonna install a new set of lights, get everything nice and waterproofed on the bottom. Well, get it all secure. We'll pop in some new walls. We're gonna make the walls probably like this high, and then we'll put a roof on it of not 3/8, not 5/8, but I think we got 1/2 inch plywood over there we're gonna use. So we don't need a lot of extra support on the top. It's not like we're gonna be standing on it, so we'll just do a couple 2x2s or something like that, and we'll get it nice and strong and secure, and we'll get it ready for camping this year. Let's get to it. Okay, so now that I've got all that set up, ready to go, I put it on jack stands so that I can work on it without it moving around and all that. I've got all the wood removed and the old wiring gone, and I'm gonna go grab some rust converter. I'm gonna spray it down every single inch that I can see. I can spray it with the rust converter. I'm gonna try and prevent this trailer from further deteriorating, because I'd like it to last, another 10 years or so, just like the old trailer. Once that's all done, we'll pop down some new plywood, pre-painted. I'm gonna paint it before I put it in so that hopefully the wood doesn't get rotted as fast as, the other wood. And then we'll have it secure, safe from penetrating the wood from the bottom. Because I've noticed here, this is the wood that was here. It's already delaminated, and they said that they just replaced this wood. So I'm not sure. I think I'll probably use this. And actually, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna replace it. I'm just gonna put new plywood in, get it all nice and cleaned up, painted, ready to go. I'm even gonna silicone some of the edges so that it's waterproof. Basically, the bottom, I would like so that no water can penetrate up from below. And when I put the ceiling on, no water will penetrate from up above. So it'll be nice and secure. I'll probably put a bead of silicone inside and along the edges. And then we'll build out a little frame inside with some 2x4s or 2x2s, probably 2x2s. Get it nice and built out, secure, and it'll be ready for camping. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go grab some paint and get on that. Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 2 of my trailer revamp. I'm building an enclosed box on my trailer. When I got it, the plywood was falling apart. The owner that sold it to me said they just changed the plywood out. I was like, I don't know. So we decided, I've got some sheets of plywood over there. I thought I'd just use them up and build ourselves a nice sealed box. A little bit taller and a little bit more structure sound. The other one was all right, but it was really top heavy. There was a lot of 2x4 and a lot of 5x8 heavy top sheet on the top. So I'm gonna replace it, build a little bit more structurally sound. I went ahead and put rust converter on there and did the entire thing, the axle, the leaf springs, like everywhere I saw rust, I just sprayed it down, nice and coated down, nice and sealed. So now I'm on to wiring. So I found this trick that we can use to get this in here, is using a wrench to slide the wire into the loom. So you have to sit there and fiddle with it. It's just really fast and easy. Sometimes it flops out. Maybe I should have got a smaller wrench, I don't know. I think I saw this on YouTube Shorts, thought I'd give it a try. It seems to work. So we got this advanced waterproof seal, or Thompson's water seal. It says to do a light thin coat for maximum waterproof protection. So I'm just putting a layer of this on our wood before we put it on the trailer instead of paint, because paint chips off. So we'd rather do this than, well, it was recommended that we do this and our wood will last longer. So we're gonna do a little layer of this stuff, put it on, and then we'll start putting the trailer back together. Kind of wish we did maybe we could do a paint a coat on the outside of the trailer, maybe. Could like paint it red or something, match the car. I don't know yet. We're gonna put Flex Seal on the front and the bottom to protect from rock chips.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush it through, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high.
We are getting late. I cut the top piece. There's the bottom pieces over there. We got the doors and the front pieces and the side pieces all over there. Everything's been waterproofed. Everything's been painted. This is the first layer of the top and the roof. We've got some RV paint and roofing paint. We've got the bottom piece. I've actually got it all figured out. This is the Flex Seal. So this is like a rubber coating, so it'll protect it from rocks and salt and everything else. So it doesn't matter what time of the year. This will be nice and protected. I've got these reflectors that came in the kit, and I'm just getting eaten by mosquitoes right now. Found some reflective tape in the shop. So we've got the reflective tape on the side and the back, and a little piece on the front. So if it's parked somewhere or anything like that, it's highly visible, very easy to see. I did not get my lights put in. We were gonna get 4-inch replacements. We could not find the LED replacements for this hole yet. We might still find it, but probably tomorrow I'll just install the other kit that we have, get those working and ready to go and out of the way. So once that's all done, then hopefully I'll be able to put the floor in. I've got most of my framing all cut up, ready to go. So it's all precise. I think I got about 4 or 5 more to cut, but once that's all ready to go, we can start putting the floor in, put our sides in, our bracing, and start screwing everything together. And then once everything's done, we'll put the roof on, and then I'll get underneath and I'll probably coat some of these edges. Anything that's visible, I'll probably go around with a little bit of black Flex Seal and make sure it's all coated. I'll probably put a nice protection on the front from rocks, stuff like that. So we'll get to that tomorrow, but that's it for today and yesterday. It's been a long day. I've probably worked a good 10 hours straight on this trailer, getting it ready to go, because I want to go camping, I want to go fishing, I want to get out of here, go have some fun out in the bush. With my Starlink, it works. I also set it up today, did a couple speed tests. It's okay. It's residential, and then I swapped it over to roaming, and then I shut it off, put it away. So that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll have another episode ready to go. Hopefully tomorrow or the day after, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Peace.